Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. We have a very massive development on the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin Cash. You can see that we have broken out a crisscross of two resistance levels. One was this downtrend resistance. You can see that since after 6th of December 2024, the price and was not able to break out this downtrend resistance. We got two rejections here and several more rejections here. And now finally we have broken out after this small rejection, the price and has finally broken out this downtrend and resistance. And we have also broken out this uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance has been previously working as a very strong and long-term support from the month of August 2023 up till here, up till the month of January 2025. And before that, it was working as a very strong resistance. And now on the 7-day time frame chart, we are still breaking it out. But on the daily time frame chart, we have completely broken out this resistance, and now it can work as a very strong support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and a very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Spell, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here, previously I've been showing you this downtrend and resistance that Bitcoin Cash found here on 6th of December 2024. And since then, it was not able to break it out. We got few rejections here, several more rejections here, and small one more rejection here. And finally, the price and broke out this resistance, this downtrend and resistance. By the way, before that, we have been also testing this long-term support of $270 as well. We tested the support here, and here. And I was telling you that this is a very long-term support. Therefore, it will be quite difficult for the price and to break it down. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $270 has been breaking as a support here. And for several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a resistance here and support here for several weeks. Therefore, again, it worked as a very strong support. And now the pricing is geared up. On the 7-day time frame chart, we are still breaking out this resistance. And this is, by the way, a very long-term resistance. Therefore, we can wait for the price line to close above this resistance on the 7-day time frame chart, this uptrend line resistance I'm talking about. However, in the daily time frame chart, we have broken it out, and now there is a very high probability that still it can work as a very strong and long-term support. And that there will be also a probability that we may also retest the previous resistance as support on this daily time frame chart before the next move to the upside. In case of a price reversal, it can have a pullback up to here, approximately at $374. And after testing this, retesting this previous resistance as support, it can gear up. And I'm expecting that now soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this recent down channel as well. Previously, we broke out this channel, then we had a very nice rally, and we were very close to hit that target. We have almost hit that target, but final target was here, by the way. That is at $700, and you can see that the price then moved up to $639. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we will have a very long-term resistance zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from $700 to $800 has been breaking as a very strong resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.